Hi. So in today's video I'm going to be reviewing the 3DS. So this is an original 3DS. It's not from 2011. I think it's from like when it went on sale. It has some cool features. It has Street Pass, which is basically how you interact with other people. So it's taking a long time to load because it's an old console. I don't like these buttons. So you can play little mini games in this, and when you walk by other people you get their character. You can listen to music on here. You can take pictures. You can make memes. You can scan these cards and play games with them. It's kind of dumb. You can do download play, and then you can just play regular games. And the cool thing about the 3DS is it has 3D mode, where you can just kind of play it. It's like looks 3D, but it's like glitchy, and you have to look at it on a certain angle. I think the browser's really outdated on this thing. I have a folder for shutdown services. You can draw little pictures on here. It's like basically the evolution of the DSi, except it's worse, because it doesn't have all the fun features. It's kind of boring. The games on here are kind of annoying to play because of the stupid circle pad. And then over time, like this part falls off. So this part falls off occasionally. Like the D-pad's in an inconvenient spot, and it's like hard to grip. It's like not very good. It's the charging's kind of weird. It's like this weird proprietary charging. The game cards are shaped very weirdly. There's got this little notch on them. So it's the same size as DS cartridges, except it has this little notch on them and they're white. It's got this IR sensor where you can, like, for the amiibo and stuff. It has an SD card slot. It's got this 3.5mm jack. And it has LR buttons that also function as camera buttons. And it has, this stylus is kind of cool. It's like a telescopic rod almost, because you can kind of go like fold. I put this plastic case on it to protect it, the shell. And it takes a long time for this thing to load, like I said before. The 3D thing, if you're too young, it can damage your eyes. You can take 3D pictures. So, I don't know if you guys can tell, but this makes funny sounds when you take a picture, and it's a 3D picture. Oops. Okay, so it's got two cameras on the front, one on the inside. It's got this volume slider bar. It features the circle pad, D-pad, select, homes, start, X, Y, B, A. It's got these speakers. I don't think they're not very good. It works with most headphones. What's the cool thing is that there's this dock. You could kind of just put in it. Okay, it doesn't work with this case, but if it didn't have this shell on it, you can kind of put it into this case, and then you can charge it with this. But you don't really need it. It's called like the charging dock, yeah. So, and then you can like fold this down to put like games and stuff in it. So it's got this cool. So what's cool about it is that it has this wireless switch, so you can turn on the internet manually via button. That's kind of cool. I don't want to tell you guys too much about it because in a moment my friend will tell you about this console.
That was an amazing explanation, Lawrence. I think you covered everything there is to say, and I couldn't have said it better.